Have you felt it? That low-key anxiety that AI is coming for your job. For years, the advice was simple: learn to code. But what if that advice is already outdated? We're living in a world where AI can write and debug code in seconds. So, if learning to code isn't the answer, what is? This is the biggest question no one's talking about. Most people are focused on what AI can do, but the real secret to thriving in this new age isn't about what you can do. It's about what you can ask. The one skill everyone needs to master in the AI age isn't a technical one, it's critical thinking. Specifically, it's the ability to ask brilliant questions. Think of AI as the most powerful brain on the planet. It knows everything, but it can't tell you anything unless you give it the perfect prompt. It's a skill called prompt engineering. Imagine AI as a rocket. You can tell it to go up, and it'll get off the ground. But if you tell it to launch at a 90-degree angle to get to the International Space Station, avoiding this specific debris field, you're going to get a very different result. Most people are stuck at go up. Learning to think critically and ask the right questions makes you the conductor of the AI orchestra. It makes you the architect, not just the construction worker. You're not replaced by AI. You become the person who controls the AI. So, how do you master it? Start practicing today. Don't just ask AI for an answer. Challenge it. Ask it to explain a complex topic using a simple analogy. Ask it to debate both sides of an argument. Use it to solve a problem you're facing at work. The more you practice, the more you'll learn to guide it toward a truly incredible result. AI isn't the threat. Not knowing how to use it is. Master this one skill, and you'll not only survive the AI age, you'll be the one leading it.